Okay guys, so as you can see, today is a larger canvas. I'm trying to break out of my comfort zone and do a bigger canvas. I'm being a little ambitious today. I have an idea of what I want to do, but the thing is execution. So I'm a little nervous, so stick with me and we're going to start at the top. I know you can't see the whole canvas in the picture. I tried to manipulate my camera so you can see the whole thing, but you can't. So we're just going to do the top half first, and then we're going to work on the bottom. You could just move it down here and you can see the bottom, but this is going to be the main focus of the image. The bottom's just going to be like the ground and stuff like that. So let's get started, shall we? Forgot to start recording. But I'm using Mars Black and some titanium white. I'm gonna put well, I was gonna put some medium in it, but I think I'm just gonna stick with my titanium white, my Mars Black, maybe a tad bit of Payne's Gray, and kind of work this in to the canvas. This is just a canvas board. I feel more comfortable working with canvas boards because it doesn't bend in the middle. And I might have to use some medium. If I have some, give me 2 seconds. I'll see if I can find some. Okay, so the only medium I have is a glazing medium, and I don't want to use that. So what I'm going to do is just put more water in my paint. Trying to thin it. There we go. Trying to thin it out a little bit more. You don't have to use a medium, you just need to thin your paint out more. I have blocked in my cat's shape, form, and everything, and I will work on getting the ears and the eyes and the mouth and everything straight when I come back and do the details. But I think I've got the general shape and form down, so I'm gonna let it dry and come back to it in just a little bit. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna work on our tiger today and do the wood some other time. I'm trying to get the wood grains in, but I think I have a better idea for that. Today I want to focus on the mountain lion. So I got my paint set out, I got my brush wet. Hello guys, this is future me with my microphone all fixed and ready to go. Just wanted to come in and send you guys off. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then feel free to subscribe and hit that like button to see more by me. And here's the picture of the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time guys, bye!